I was not planning on making a video for this trip, but it is a crazy thunderstorm coming out here to Waiparous today. It's about 8 o'clock p.m. right now. I'm going to attempt the Trapper's Hill. It's Trapper Lodge Hill. It's the hill right after you pass the entrance. And I barely made that in good weather. We'll see today. Just following Justin, he's up ahead. There's some guy in a little van camper. It's a Ford Transit. That's pretty cool. All right. Sitting the bottom. There's Justin. Fuck. This is a splash. Oh yeah. Whoa. He's taking the off-road route. That's a interesting move. Okay, I believe we're coming up on Trapper's Hill. Yeah, it looks bad. Oh, I made it past the hard part. I didn't think I would do it, but it was way easier than last time. I guess when you're alone, it's way scarier. I was just spinning right there. But yeah, this engine has quite a bit of torque, the 3.8. Like, I never once gave it more than half throttle on that hill. Just wait until I can see those headlights. Come on, Justin. I did it in a minivan. Ah, there you are. We got it. This is why we came to this spot. The crazy amount of wood that we found out here.
I didn't find shit, you did.
I guess I found it. There's 2 cabins that caved in here that people made. So we have basically unlimited wood, and it's all pretty dry. We got this guy going. Jeez, it's almost taller than I am. I mean, the wood. Wait till the flame gets up there. You can see the trees. And it lights up the van very nicely.
Very nicely.
Yeah.
Man, I just shot.
Well, that was a big fire. I got to throw on as much wood as I wanted right before coming to bed. So Justin's gonna stay up later. I'm getting to bed now. So the temperature when I got in here said 15.3. So I'm just watching that climb from my body temperature. 15.6. We'll see what it gets to in the morning. And I also reset this watt meter before I left. So we're at 75 watt hours used so far. And that's to power my lights and charge my phone. So yeah, we'll see what I got. My battery's already reading kind of low. We'll learn how to talk later, but well, off to bed. Good morning, everybody. Oh, had a good sleep? Well, I mean, I feel rested, but I definitely was tossing and turning most of the night. 16.9, we dropped down to 13 during the night, but I'm gonna get some coffee going. Stay started. I'm getting up late. Fire's already going. I haven't even said good morning yet. Just here's your camera on your face. I like my hair like this. What about you guys? There's still tons of bees.
I got the one treasure out of the whole thing and then ran away.
Yeah, so my breakfast consisted of 2 eggs. It was delicious. But yeah, I guess that garbage is guarded by the bees. Pet just packing up. Gonna head out soon. Gonna put out the fire now. Oh!
Nice.
I just sprayed myself in the face.
Yeah, no, never mind me.
Sorry.
Oh man.
Yeah. How much water do I got left?
Half.
Nice.
Quite a bit actually. I'll let you know when you're down to like a quarter.
Oh, I'm gonna love this. Oh, I do love it. Yeah, we'll use the last quarter or the last third after we let it sit for a second.
Yeah, we can stir it.
A minute straight of spraying, and it still needs some time. I mean, some water. Big difference. All right. Okay, I'll put a little bit more water on it now. We'll just put it on Justin.
Yeah, just spray me again, please.
I'm like a fire engine. Wonder what firemen would say if I showed up trying to put out a house fire with this.
No, don't worry, I got this.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Just heading back now, going down Trappers Hill. Gonna put it in low gear. I think I need to be on the... Look at that flex. Nice. Wish I had an outside view. This is kind of nuts. Okay, that's the hard part done. Try to get on these rocks here. Oh yeah. Okay, that's the hard part. Man, this hill is messed up. I think the other day I saw a Nissan Altima. Oh, this rock. Please don't hit anything. Man, can't wait till I lift this or something. I don't know. Anyways, that's it. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching.